guys, welcome back to Any Crafts by Maria. Today I decided to do a couple of Temu molds. Now this is a little hut, like a mud hut thing, and it's got a thing that goes in there with a metal piece, and then the roof goes on like that, and the smoke's supposed to come out of the chimney when you light the candle, but we'll see. And this is, I think it's a treehouse pot. So I thought a couple of fun things to do today, and I've made it with aqua cast because obviously you do not want an open flame or a candle item with resin. So with aqua cast, as long as it's sealed with a heat proof, heat safe sealant, then you're fine, which is why I make my candles with all the aqua cast. So I have just made it normal colour. I haven't added any colours or anything to it, and I will be like colouring them in with my arrtx pens, and let's just pour. Hopefully it's going to be a nice quick pour, easy, nice demold, and then I can get on with the details when it's all ready. I've only made up 500 grams of powder because I wasn't 100% sure how much all of this would take. So, and I am getting a bit low on my powder now. Right, that's the roof. Can already see bubbles under there. But this is going to be the bottom, so you're not going to see the bubbles. Just give it a squish and a squidge. Right, that's the roof. Now for, I'm just going to press that. This is the hut. So I'm just going to push it down the edges so it reaches all the way down. Luckily this insert is quite a big insert, which means it's not going to take much resin, aqua cast. Right, I might just be really careful now and just spoon it in. Now when I ordered this, it was quite a while ago, so I'm not 100% sure what the pictures look like now, because I've slept since then. Well, barely, but I have. That's because you don't fill that bit up. It's just around the edge. I just remembered. What am I doing? It is just the ring. It's not like a pot. Still need more because I've taken more out than I needed to. Just spread it around with my finger. Don't know what I was thinking. Right. And now this bit is where the metal ring that's in here, that's where that sits. No, I do think that. Now I think that bit does get covered. But I could be wrong. If I'm wrong and that bit doesn't get covered, then I will re-pour this bit off camera. Right, now just this one. So, pour a little bit in. And I'm just going to top it up if I've got enough. Right, if I haven't got enough, which I don't think I'm going to have, I will make some up off camera and I'll demold it with you when we get back. And I bring you back. Only going to need a tiny bit. So I will bring you back for demold. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, it's been several days. I haven't got back to this until now. So I poured these Sunday night and it is now Tuesday night. So I've let them cure. They've had plenty of time to cure. So let's just unmold them now. Right, so that's the base. I think this bit acts as like a step for the house. Ooh. Aha, there's a door. I see it. Maybe it's a good job I did leave it even that time, because that's a bit flimsy. Right, that's that. Oh, that's cute. And that sits on there like that. And then this is the roof or the lid. Let's see how easy it is to demold. Lovely. And then it's just perfect. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, wow. Look. That's lovely. Just going to file that down so it's not sharp later. That is stunning. I love that. And you can put your little tea light in there. That is so cute. I love that mould. Love it. Let's turn that back in. No, I think I already had, hadn't I? Yeah, it's just this bit that needs to go. There, that's done. Keep them together. This little metal bit goes in there and you put your little tea light in there. or one of those, you can get like a round like burning stick thing. You can put that in there and that'll let out the smoke, get out of the lid. Right, now this one. Now I think it's a treehouse mould. A pot, but a treehouse mould. So let's see if I remembered correctly. Nice easy demold. I do like the silicone that bends so easily. Super flexible. Love it. That's that. Ah, it is a tree house. That is so cute. I love them. It's so pretty. Got bubbles, but I'm really not fussed about bubbles. I know a lot of people are so anti bubbles, but I don't mind them. Really does not bother me in the slightest. So just want to sand that down. I'm going to colour this in with my arrtx pens. I don't think I'm actually going to do anything with this, just seal it. Don't forget guys, with a heat proof, heat resistant sealer, if you're going to put open flame candles, tea lights, any kind of candles in there, so it protects everything. So I'm going to get my arrtx pens on this cute little treehouse pot. And I think I'll put like a cacti or some sort of succulent in this when it's done and sealed. Obviously with this, as it's not going to have anything hot. If I was going to pour a candle in this, it would be sealed with the same stuff as I'm going to seal with this. But because it's not going to have a candle, it's going to have a plant in, I'll be using the natural stone sealer, concrete sealer kind of thing. The one that I always use, I can't remember what it's called now. But it's just a wax that you rub on it. And then you buff out again. But I am now going to go away and colour this in. I'll bring you back when it's finished. I'll see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, as you can see, I just sealed this. I didn't do anything else with it apart from the doorway and the window. I just did that with my arrtx pens. And this I finished. It's all done. arrtx pens. I love my arrtx pens, as you know. So that's had a couple of coats and it is finished. I hope you like what I've done. I think this is so cute. I am going to get a little cacti or some sort of succulent in that, and I think it'll look really cute. So thanks for joining me guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye.